we all fly, right? Whether it's the Skydio drones that pretty much fly themselves, the bicopter drones that are pretty unique and have like 2 propellers instead of 4, the mid-sized drones, as well as the large-sized drones like the Mavic 3, the mini drones that are pretty small and compact and cute.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it.
Or FPV drones, right? Like the DJI FPV. Something more traditional, like your home-built scrapper, DIY, as I like to call FPV drones. Even cinematic FPV drones. Now, a lot of us just fly casually for fun. It doesn't matter what we fly. We don't really do video editing. We don't really edit photos, or we edit the photos on our phones, on our smartphones, and we post it in our favorite Instagram or Facebook groups or wherever, and we're done. We're just having fun. It's just a hobby, right? Regardless of what drone you own or how much you spend on a drone. What determines how good you get is a lot of it is based on these computers, these programs, these software, and most importantly, the amount of time and effort that you put into making your photos and videos look good. And that means that I do spend a lot of time at this laptop. As a result, I need a good chair. Now, this one's got like a, I don't know what you call this, but the whole back side of it and the headrest is like a mesh kind of a feel. At first I thought it would not be comfortable, especially when coming from one of these padded classic type chairs where the arms are all padded up, the feet are all padded up and everything. But this, after a while, just got very flat, right? And I did have this for a couple of years, maybe 2 years or so, and then it doesn't have much options to choose from. I've got the main wheel under here that I can spin to adjust the tightness. And I've basically got one handle here to raise and lower the chair. And of course, the chair's on wheels, which is pretty cool. But that's about it. But this new guy is a lot smaller, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, and I don't have much space to work with. It's just a small little studio area here with all my stuff. This one also, everything is basically fixed, right? The handles are fixed, they're padded, but they're fixed. You can't move it around. And when you're editing for hours, you want to be able to reposition yourself. And that's what I really like about this chair. The handles swivel in and out, so you can position them inwards or position them outwards with a click, and it's nice and stiff. I saw this at first and I was like, you know what, it doesn't have any padding, but sitting on it, it's fine. Like, I can rest my hand there and it's fine. This one also has a button right here. When you press this button, you can raise it higher and lower, which is really nice depending on how tall or short you are, or how tall your desk is, or if you move stuff around like me constantly on your desk and you constantly need to be repositioning. The whole back here feels like hard plastic, but it is premium. I don't feel like it's gonna break or anything. I don't feel like it's struggling to take my weight. And the whole ergonomics of the whole thing, you can see, just has a better, more comfortable feeling to it when I'm sitting in this chair. So yeah, I really like it. This one also has the lever to lift it up as well, right? But there's also another lever here to slide your pivot, right? Your center point. See this pole that's coming up, the shiny pole here? You can slide the chair forward or backward on this center point to pitch most of your weight to the back of the chair, or pitch most of the weight to the front of the chair, depending on how heavy you are and how much you want to lean back, because this also leans back. Now, my old chair has a knob to tighten it up and loose it. This also has the knob as well to tighten it up and loose, so that's pretty cool, right? And it also has a lock. This is a reclining lock. Yes, this lock here allows the whole back of this chair to lean back with you, so you can lean back comfortably and throw back. It also gets better. I thought it was done there, but it's not. This part in front here can actually pull out. Yes, and this chair turns into a recliner, and this swivels and angles so you can put your foot and adjust it and peek out and just chillax. So not only is this great for editing and doing your work, but if you want to roll away from your desk and hang around with your laptop on your lap, this is comfortable as well. Not only that, I do nap on this chair from time to time. Now it's pretty simple to set up, just like any normal chair. You get the pole inside of the legs. The legs are on wheels. You got some screws and washers, about 8 screws and washers to put on, and you're pretty much done, right? It's just as simple as any other chair to set up. I love it because it's got so much options. I love it because I just recline and I watch television with it. I edit on my laptop, not necessarily at my desk. And then when I am at my desk, I just fold it up and make it very desk worthy. There you go. And it becomes your typical desk chair. So yep, this is a premium chair. It does come at a premium cost, and yeah, you pay for the comfort. I'll leave a link in the description section to the website where you can go and check more of the specifications of the chair, like maximum weight and stuff like that, to make sure that it suits you. So yeah, if you are going to spend time at your computer, be it at your desk or just rolling around the house, or you're gonna bounce between editing photos and videos and just put your laptop down and rock back and take a nap or watch television, and you're that type of person that doesn't take things too seriously, but you like flexibility and relaxation and the ability to tighten things up and work at the same time, yes, this chair pretty much does it all. Where do I see improvements for this chair? Well, 2 places. One is the handle. Even though the handle is fully adjustable and everything is nice, I wish there was some padded cushioning. As a matter of fact, I will look for some third-party padded cushioning and maybe pick those up. The only reason I haven't is because, to be honest, it hasn't bothered me that much. It looks kind of raw and unfinished, and I thought it would be uncomfortable, but it's not. Maybe some comfort or padding here as well would be nice, right? But those are just like extra stuff. I don't know if it'll fold in or go all the way in if I put padding there, but it doesn't really bother me. I thought it would at the beginning, but it doesn't. Depending on how finicky you are, you might want some padding on the chairs, but that's about it. Apart from that, I'm pretty happy. I know a lot of you are getting into editing, or you're thinking about editing, or maybe you're editing already and you don't realize how uncomfortable you are and you find yourself shying away from your desk or shying away from your work. This could be a great solution for you, because if it works for me, more than likely it'll work for you. So this is my chair, guys. I've been wanting to share this video for a really long time. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Go check out the chair, see if it's something that fits your budget and fits your needs, and hopefully it will help to improve your edits and improve the type of videos that you put out. So maybe you can put out something that looks like this.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red, oh.
Alright, with that being said, guys, give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I release more videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. And yes, my LUTs are coming soon. People have been asking me, what's the deal with the LUTs? What's the deal with the LUTs? What's the deal with the LUTs? I was waiting on the Mini 3 so I could make the Mini 3 LUTs and package them all in there. But now that the Mini 3 is not quite available, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and release the LUTs within the next week or 2. Either which way, keep it locked right here, and I will catch you guys and keep you posted whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions, I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.